So what we have here is a failure to communicate. So I think it's going to be my first short. I'm doing this set of S&S heads here. And I remember when I was doing Tommy's, I was talking about spanking Tommy's valves. But I didn't spank them, I used the machinist blue. So there's a bit of an art to spanking a valve. Alright, so now guy thinks, okay, I'm going to spank the valve. Okay. So if you don't have any machinist blue, what you do is you just like that. Then hopefully you can see this. Let's see if I get my ass out of the way, it might focus. Maybe if I hey, guess what I found out? I'm not a boomer, I'm what they call a Jones. So quit blaming me for libtard dick tasters. Now if you look, you can see where the valve, the outside of the seat is touching the face of the valve. Do you see that? What if I put it like this? Let's try it like that. Too shadowy. You see that? It'll tell you where, it'll show you, I don't know if you can see this or not, but it'll show you where, yeah, I can see it plain as day with my own eye, but it shows me where the seat is, the seat face is on the valve, how close I am to the edge. But here's the thing, guys. Guys think, they got the head like this and they whack it really hard and they have troubles. Actually, you want the head sideways. Okay? You don't need to go down like that and then just like that. Then you can see where the valve's sitting on the face of the seat. Anyways, that's my short. And this one is good. I don't know if you can see it, but like I'm not on the edge of the valve, but I am near the edge of the valve, which is where I want it for flow. First short ever.